If you're growing your brand on OnlyFans and you feel like you're doing everything yourself, posting, messaging, editing, scheduling, marketing, managing DMs, tracking subs, following up with tips, trying to stay creative while stuck in a loop, then it's time to learn about the best AI tools to automate your OnlyFans content so you can save time, stay consistent, and scale without burning out. Because let's be honest, doing all of this manually every single day is like trying to run a full restaurant by yourself. You're the chef, the waiter, the cashier, the manager, and somehow also the dish soap. But with the right tools, you can automate the boring parts and focus on the stuff that really builds your business, like creating connections, making content you actually enjoy, and building loyalty that lasts. So today I'm walking you through the best AI tools to automate your content flow, with insights for beginners who want to start strong and advanced creators who are ready to scale smart. First up is an AI writing assistant like ChatGPT, which can help you write daily captions, flirty message scripts, welcome sequences, upsells, and tip menu descriptions in your tone. Most creators stare at the screen trying to figure out how to say new content drop in a way that doesn't sound the same every time, but with AI you can brainstorm 5 new ways in seconds, and tailor them for different fan types. For example, you can ask your writing tool to generate a short message for returning fans versus one for first-time buyers, and suddenly your DMs feel more personal and less robotic, even though you wrote them faster. Second is image editing and enhancement tools like Canva Pro with Magic Resize or Remove.bg, which use AI to help you crop, clean, adjust lighting, and repurpose content across platforms. You can take one photo and make 5 different versions for Reddit, Twitter, Telegram, and OnlyFans with the right sizes and styles, all in minutes. This turns one shoot into a week of content, and keeps your visuals consistent without hiring a graphic designer. Third is AI video tools like Descript or Opus Clip, which allow you to edit, subtitle, repurpose, and auto-clip long videos into shorter ones. If you ever do behind-the-scenes content, talking videos, promos, or fan intros, this tool saves hours. Descript even lets you edit audio and video by editing text, which is like magic for creators who don't love traditional editing software. Plus, automatic captions increase watch time and boost clarity, especially for fans who scroll without sound. Now here's where it gets juicy. Fourth is using AI automation platforms like ManyChat or Koala AI integrated with Telegram or Instagram. These tools let you set up auto-replies, keyword triggers, welcome flows, and even full chatbot conversations that guide fans through tip menus, PPV offers, or custom orders without you having to reply manually. You can still jump in for custom chats, but the base work is done for you. Fans love fast replies, and when your system is ready 24/7, you get better engagement and more conversions. Fifth is scheduling tools with smart AI posting suggestions like Buffer, Later, or Metrical. These platforms suggest the best times to post, offer hashtag tips, and allow you to preload all your content for the week in one sitting. Imagine waking up every day and your posts are already live, your DMs are already sending, and your links are already tracked. That's real freedom. Sixth is AI analytics tools like Notion templates powered with formulas or platforms like Hypefury Insights or FeedHive, which show what kind of posts get the most clicks, subs, or tips across all your platforms. Instead of guessing what's working, you're using actual data to shape your strategy. For example, if your captions with questions get 20% more engagement, you can lean into that style and create even better results. Smart creators don't just create, they study. Now a bonus advanced tool is 11 Labs or Muff.ai for AI voiceovers. Let's say you want to create seductive audios, welcome messages, or even playful storytime content but don't feel like recording your voice each time. These tools let you create natural-sounding audio using scripts you write, perfect for shy creators or days when your voice is tired but your strategy is still working. Another clever one is AI cloning tools like DID that help you animate or lip-sync your content for extra reach or remixing. But always use AI ethically, your audience trusts you, and authenticity builds long-term loyalty. Now let's tie this all together into a flow. You use AI writing to create captions and messages, AI design to prep images, AI video tools to repurpose content, AI automation to run your DMs, AI schedulers to plan your calendar, and AI analytics to guide your decisions. With all of these tools working together, you move from survival mode to system mode. You're no longer chasing daily to-dos, you're running a smart brand that grows while you sleep, rest, or take a well-earned break. One funny moment to watch out for: I once used auto-reply AI for DMs and forgot to turn it off, so a fan said hello and my bot replied with limited time sale on toe picks before I even knew what happened. So yes, test your systems carefully, but use them, because doing everything by hand is how most creators burn out or stall. Automation doesn't make you less authentic, it frees you up to show up more where it matters. So if you're ready to turn your content game from chaos to calm, try one or two of these tools this week, and see how much easier your workflow becomes. If this helped you think about your business in a new way, hit that like button like it just saved you 10 hours, subscribe if you're ready to build smarter not harder, and share this with a creator who's still glued to their phone 24/7. Check out the next video to learn how to build your actual funnel or automate your DMs. And if you want real help putting all this together, join our school community, book a call, or work with me directly to build a system that matches your vision and income goals. And just remember, you're not lazy, you're just ready to let the robots do the chores so you can focus on the magic. I'll see you in the next one.